Commercial real estate is everywhere, and CBA provides the best tools and resources to help you reach your commercial real estate goals. I'm Rich Krinks, the 2019 Chairman of the Commercial Brokers Association. Our mission at CBA is to provide members with a bridge towards successful commercial real estate transactions. The Commercial Brokers Association has been in operation in the state of California since 1994. Whether you're a seasoned commercial broker or a residential agent looking to expand your business, CBA provides a host of valuable resources to assist you. We also have affiliate memberships for businesses that are interested in working with commercial brokers. A few of the many benefits to our members include networking events, education opportunities, and referral and mentorship programs. One of my favorite benefits is our education program, offering 12 core classes and electives focusing on commercial real estate. There are a wide variety of topics, including getting started in the business, how to best represent buyers and sellers, and insight into the various types of commercial real estate, including office, retail, industrial, and residential income. Another valuable benefit of CBA is networking with experienced commercial brokers. We host many organized events for members to learn about what is happening in the market, present their listings, and share their clients' needs. I have been a commercial broker for over 30 years, and I want to share what I believe are 3 key pieces of advice. 1, get involved. Consider joining a CBA committee or invest in your local community. There are many volunteer organizations you can join. You will be pleasantly surprised as to where it can lead for future business. The networking is priceless. 2, read, read, read. Of course, I am talking about reading articles on commercial real estate, local, statewide, national, and worldwide. You will gain information to help you make decisions for yourself and keep you current on the industry for you and your valuable clients. I make a habit of reading at least 2 articles on commercial real estate every morning, and it really gets me started. 3, build your business pipeline every single day. Look to make at least 1 new lead, business relationship, or referral daily. The commercial real estate field offers a tremendous opportunity if you apply yourself. What's your competition doing right now? The staff at CBA and the Board of Governors are here to answer any of your questions and listen to your concerns. Please feel free to reach out to any of us. Make sure you visit cbassn.org to check out the member benefits and resources available to you. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.